In this video, we're going to talk about how to reference data in another worksheet. So I still have the same workbook open that I had in the last video. It's called Budget Cell References. This workbook consists of two worksheets. One called Expense Details is the one I've been working in. There's also one called Summary. And in Summary, I have all my categories for my budget. And I'm going to go down to D8. 2017 average per month. So to get our average, we have a value and we divide it by a certain number. We know that there's 12 months in a year. So we're going to divide it by 12, and it will give us an average cost of electricity for every month of the year. But we need to, when we type our formula in D8, we need to reference information that is over here on our expense details, over here on N8. So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better. We're going to type. We always start a formula with the equal sign. We're going to type equals sum, then open parenthesis. Then we have to put a single quotation mark, not a double quote, but a single. And we're going to type the name of the worksheet. So down here we know it's called Expense Details. So we want to type inside our single quote, Expense Details, and that's telling Excel to go reference the other sheet. We need to close the single quote. We need to add an exclamation point, which is Shift 1. We need to close. Nope. We need to add N8. So we're telling it what cell on the expense detail worksheet to go reference. So after N8, we're going to close a parenthesis, and then we're going to divide that. So / divide that by 12. 12 might not always be the number because we just know that there's always 12 months to a year. It doesn't matter. Okay. If it was a quarter, there's 3 months to a quarter. These are known things. These are not variables. These are known, but it may change depending on how you're defining the amount of time. So if we hit enter, and it should give us the answer of 176. So every month we average using $176 worth of electricity. And if we double click, we can see our reference. Expense detail N8 divided by 12.